How to link Venmo to Cash App. I'm going to show you how you can easily link Venmo to Cash App. You can use your Cash App account as a bank account on Venmo. But first, you must allow your Cash App to operate as a bank. Open Cash App and tap the bank icon. Tap Direct Deposit. You need a cash card to enable direct deposit. Alternatively, you can add your cash card to Venmo directly as a payment method without setting up direct deposit. To get account number, then enable account. Tap Copy Account as a bank account in Venmo. Now that we have the account details for our Cash App bank account, we can add the account to our Venmo. Open Venmo and tap Me. Tap the gear icon and select Add a bank card. Select bank and use the played verification system to enter your Cash App account info. Within Cash App account being treated as a bank account, you can withdraw money from your Venmo balance to your Cash App account. Just make sure to select your Cash App account as the destination bank when withdrawing funds. With your Cash App account linked to Venmo, you can also make payments in Venmo using your Cash App account funds. Get a Cash App card if you don't have one. If you have a Cash App debit card, you can add it to your Venmo account and use it to transfer money between Venmo and Cash App. If you don't have a Cash App card, you can order one for free. Open Cash App and tap the card icon. Tap Get Free Cash Card. Complete the application for the cash card. Select your desired style and complete the order for free. You will have to wait a few seconds or minutes or days to receive the card. Add your cash card as a payment method in Venmo. Once you have activated your card, you can add it as a debit card to Venmo. Open Venmo and tap Me. Tap the gear icon to open settings. Go to Payment Methods, then add a bank or card. Select Card and input the card and details of your cash card. Transfer funds between the two accounts. Because Cash Card functions as a debit card, you can transfer money back and forth between Cash App and Venmo. Keep in mind that instant transfers via debit incur a 1% transaction fee with a minimum of $0.25 and a maximum of $10.